guys, today is the new update, and I'm seeing lava in caves for some reason. Kind of random. Why there's just like a random lava splotch? Guys, if this video is not yo, guys, today is the update. What? Xbox? Bro, they're playing COD. Alright, what the? Alright, but guys, sorry if this is not edited. My phone broke recently. I said that on my new Discord. What is that? It's an axolotl. No, that's a shark. I thought that was an axolotl. Ew. That's really ugly. Whoa. Yo. That's actually so sick. I wish I could get it. But I'm kind of broke right now, as you can see. Yo, hold on. Let's check if there's any new items. K-pop gold trophy. Bro. 27 research points? Ooh, I could probably get that. Well, I probably won't. $3? Alright, hold on. Let's see if there's any new items. The best. Let's go. No new items. That's kind of sad. We'll check out that in a second. But the new bundle is actually really cool looking, besides the pointy head shark. Okay, let's go ahead and get some stuff. We don't need that. We're going to need a hook shot. That's what we need. Let's get a selling backpack just in case. And a gilded pickaxe. Okay, let's go ahead and check this out. Yo, what in the world? Oh, this is so weird. Oh, it got dark quick. This is so cool looking. Kinda. You gotta be kidding me. It's just the old caves. We already have Armstrong Cave. Why do we need this kind of cave? Yo, cave diving? Can't believe there's cave diving. I hear the new enemy. Help! They're stuck on me! It's stuck on me! Help! Ow! Ow! I'm getting eaten! Help! I can't see! Why can't I hit it off? What are you supposed to do, dude? There's literally a trail of blood. Bro, these things are demons. Oh, this is what's... Why is there lava? That is so weird. They got an Xbox, no new items, new bundle, and a new map with these creepy monsters. What the frick? Okay, now I've learned to keep out my pickaxe. Actually, we don't even need a pickaxe. We need a bat. Yeah. Get this. A light. And a hook shot. Oh, right, it's in gadgets. That's so creepy. Oh, bro, that scared me so badly. I don't know if you're supposed to hit them off your face or maybe grab them off your face. I don't know. That was so confusing. I'm glad this is a stone cave, because if they made all of this metal, I would not be playing, because that would just be too hard. Because literally, you could not use a hook shot. So, what would be the point? Okay, here's my stuff. I'm scared of these things. No! Ah! They're both angry! Ew, what was that sound? It sounded like it farted. Okay. I'm gonna keep this on me. What the? Rope! Secret? Whoa, this is so cool. Secret area. Parkour! It's just like old Animal Company. They had like parkour and maps and stuff. There's a lot of golden rubies. That's really good for money. Okay, I'm glad there's none of those squeaky things in here. Bro, they're so cute, but they're so scary. And it's not really that foggy as it was shown in the Animal Company video. Ooh, another crate. Yes, I love these types of crates. They're really good. Sometimes. Ooh, okay. Well, that's kind of... Okay, I'm glad it didn't explode. Okay. So we got into both of those rooms. Bro, the cave diving is actually pretty cool. Alright, we gotta be careful because when we come back around, they'll probably... Yep. No, please. I'll leave you alone, please. I'll give you money. It's so cute. Get off of me! Die! I can't grab it off of me! What am I supposed to do? Die already! Help! You can't do anything if they're on you. What are you supposed to do? That's kind of dumb. I've had to waste so much money. Like, you can't do anything against them. They just keep on attacking you even on your face. It's kind of not fair. And I had to lose my good stuff in my selling backpack, so that's not fun. I mean, they should make it to where at least you could, like, grab and pull them off or, like, hold them back or something. Because, like, you can't hit them off your face. You can't, like, do anything. It's kind of dumb. Oh, there's so much gold statues. Kind of scared of going over there now because I just keep on getting killed. And, like, they're literally invincible if you, like, get near them. Oh, God. Oh, I think you're just supposed to dodge them. Like, not let them on your face. Okay. That's a lot. No! The stuff despawned as soon as I got to it. Oh, okay. Back up. No, you ain't getting me. Quit being so angry. Oh, okay. What are you supposed to do from here? Because I've already checked out everywhere. Okay, nothing in here. Nothing in here. I'm so confused right now. Is this where we went last time? Is this where we were already? No, it doesn't seem like it. I'm not finding the entrance. Yep, this is. Okay, I'm so confused on what I'm supposed to do. Because I've gone through here. I've gone through that. Please don't. You're so scary. Yep, I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm done. You can't do anything. Oh! Maybe you are supposed to grab them and pull them off. Because it just died instantly when I grabbed it. Okay, let's go up here. We really do have to start being more careful. Okay. Nothing so far. Ooh, 2 breakable crates? Let's go. Red flashlight. That's pretty useful. Not really, but it makes it a lot more creepy. I would keep it, but I don't have enough space, so sad that I can't keep it. Let's check in here. Ooh. Another breakable crate. That's 3 breakable crates. Is it just me, or does this red flashlight seem more useful than this? Okay, maybe not, but it's useful. And also, it's rare now, I guess. Well, not really. Oh, I got I got a crossbow. Wow, the stuff in here respawned pretty quickly. Spider? No, they did not. They had a spider in here? Bro, how creepy are they gonna make it? Come on. Okay. Nothing good. Let's sell this crossbow. Because crossbows are really expensive. They're like 1,400. What's this? I'll check it out later. Let me check what's down here. I'm not sure anything good. Yep, nothing. Alright, let's hang on the ceiling. What is this? What the? Water? I'm so confused right now. What is this blue stuff? A teleporter! Yeah, we made it! What's this green stuff? New ore? What is this? You can grab it! It's like sticky dynamite. There's so many of them. We'll keep one. They're like lights. They're lights. That's really cool. So it gives you different options. You can keep on continuing through there or teleport out. We're going to keep one of these because it sounds like sticky dynamite. Oh, a fan, a red fan. Oh, it's hard to get there. Here, let's grab this guy. I wonder what they're called. Like glow shrooms, maybe? They aren't selling for much. You can't hit them. Yeah, you can't kill them either. You can't hit or kill them. Okay, let's check this out. That's actually super cool. Okay, so let's drop down and see what this is called. I'm gonna put it in my stash. Okay, they don't float. Let's sell this and see how much we get because it's pretty heavy. And we got a free red flashlight from that, so win-win. I like how many breakable crates there are. We don't get enough breakable crates in this game. Not a lot. So that means those jelly things aren't really that good to sell. Imagine if they actually are called glow shrooms. What the? That's cool. Goop fish. What do they do? That's really weird. I'm so confused. They changed up this. That's pretty cool. Okay. So, what I've seen so far is a new bundle, new monster, more, like a lot more scary stuff, and like that monster is hard to defeat. Like it's easy with a bat, like whenever it's not on your face, but when it's on your face, it's super hard to fight off. I'm not sure if I did the right thing, like pulling it off, or like maybe I accidentally hit it and it killed it. I'm not sure, but this is such a cool update. I want to go back in there, but I'm not trying to take a long time. Wait, did I have a free red flashlight in here? Oh no, I got this from a server. What am I talking about? Yeah. Here, let me go ahead and go back in here. But yeah, guys, sorry for like if the video's not edited. Recently my phone broke, so I really haven't been able to do much. But yeah, this is honestly a really cool update. I like how the enemies are really hard and they get in an Xbox. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe, and see you guys in the next one. Peace.